Yep.
Here we come.
Kaylin. What are you eating?
I'm eating my grape. I'm eating and driving.
Oh, the turn. Look at that turn.
Whee! Going uphill, a little slow, a little slow, a little slow. Turn around. Kaylin, wave.
Woo.
Say hi, Xavion. Hi, Auntie. Hi, Sean.
Thank you for the wiggle car. Oh, mommy almost crashed. And now we need insurance and helmets.
You got Kaylin's driving with one hand, everybody.
Look at the one hand. Oh! Oh, did you see the turn? See you later!
Bye-bye. Uh-oh. Daddy's crashing.
Oh, he's turning back! Did you see the turn?
He had to use assistance. He's not a professional like Mommy. Not a professional. Not a professional. Kaylin and Daddy crashed.
All right, see you later. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
You gotta go practice. Go bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Kaylin. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say thank you for Wiggle Car.
All right. She's driving like her auntie Rahana.
Driving like we on the Beltway. Say we gonna wiggle our way to Maryland one day. We stopping at the grocery store.
All right.
Let me know when you're ready.
All right, we coming.
Go, Kaylin. You driving, Daddy? Daddy's not an expert wiggler yet. He doesn't know how to wiggle.
5-0, 5-0.